Hi, my name's Ian May and I'm the manager of the drone division at Macutex. Macutex is one of Australia's leading asset audit companies, providing services across Australia to government and major corporations alike. Aerial imaging has made a huge impact across many industries, but particularly in our industry, where the focus has been on safety and cost effectiveness. We have a significant number of CASA certified pilots, but their major role is as asset inspectors. So we see it as a tool of trade. As we go forward, technology that we continue to enhance, including such things as thermal imaging for our drones, underwater, confined spaces, blends itself very well with the 3D technology that we've become involved in more recently. That 3D technology is providing our customers with the ability to go online and look at that data concurrently with a number of their other people in the organisation and be able to provide reports in any tailored fashion that they would like and via their own tailored dashboards. The models that are produced use machine learning and artificial intelligence to continually update themselves in looking at different types of elements and conditions. This enables the model to undertake predictive maintenance through the use of setting baselines and cyclic reviews of the data. One of the key elements of predictive maintenance is to ensure that you minimise the cost of such maintenance. That is, you can budget for what has to be done today and for tomorrow. If you're interested in finding out more, please don't hesitate to call us on the phone or go onto our website at macutex.com.